Kolobet, kolobet, hey. Kolobet, 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 hey.
Kolobet, ma.
Kolobet,
Kolobet,
hey.
Kolobet, ma. Kolobet,
Hey.
Once upon a time, one freezing winter morning. Once upon a time, one freezing winter morning. Once upon a time, oh yeah, one freezing winter morning. They made a plan to keep themselves warm. Wakalumvundla wathi masijala umaphekana sukhena kuqala mina waqala ukhwezela umlilo nje afuthumala amanzi wakhala umvundla kuTelecha wathi yena vulela
Telecha mvulela, vulela, telecha mvulela.
sakifuthumala vulela
Telecha mvulela, vulela.
Sooner than later, it was Telecha's turn to get inside the pot. Little did he know that Mvundla wanted to make a meal out of Telecha. Mvundla put a big stone on top of the lid, such that Telecha could not force himself out. As the water gets water, Telecha cried and screamed to Mvundla, saying, "Mvundla, vulela! Mvundla, vulela! Nyasha!" Vulela mina, Mvundla, hey! Vulela mntanami bo, lelele ma. Sangizisho mnganami bo, sangizisho mnganami bo. Cela ungivulele ma, kelele ma. Mvundla kwe, vulela. Cela ungivulele, Mvundla kwe. Fefere kumfefe, sasibhekana. Fefere kumfefe, sasibhekana. Umvundla lo Telecha ma, uTelecha wadliwa. Fefere kumfefe, fefere kumfefe. Fefere, umvundla lo Telecha ma, uTelecha wadliwa. Fefere, fefere kumfefe. Khotho bazukulu, inganekwane iphelela lapha. Siyabonga.